Hello everybody. Are you an avid camper like I am? Like to go out in the outdoors, go camping for a couple days, out in the backcountry backpacking where you can only carry so much supplies? Well, one of the problems I have found is you go out in the backcountry, you want to take pictures, you might want to use GPS for navigation, but you keep running out of power. What are you supposed to do about that? Do you want to carry endless amounts of batteries with you? I don't think so. Well, one option you can do is picking up a Goal Zero. I have one of those. It's a great solar panel and it can charge up batteries while you're out in nature. You keep it on your backpack, charge up while you're hiking. Let me show you what I have and we can look at it together. So the one I have right here is a Goal Zero Nomad 7. There's many different versions of these by Goal Zero, so go ahead and look in the description below and find the one that's right for you. You can easily attach the Goal Zero to the back of your backpack, so while you're hiking, you can have the thing continuously charging your batteries. While you're having a PAX off break, your Goal Zero will still be charging the entire time. You can also just simply leave it out on the ground so it can charge. First, let me go ahead and show you the battery pack. This is where you can put in your chargeable batteries and you can charge directly from the solar panels. On the back here, you can also plug in your USB devices, plus there's an LED light attached to it in case you need to use as a nightlight. Also right here is just a standard USB port, so you can plug anything in that uses USB, as well as an adapter for anything that you might need to plug into your car using the cigarette outlet. Right here you can also attach multiple Go Zeros to each other to add extra charge. Right here you're going to see the LED light that indicates whether the Goal Zero is charging. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you found it useful, please give us a good thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.